Urgench, the capital of Khorasan region in the western Uzbekistan, is the main gateway to the UNESCO World Heritage City of Khiva. Known for its convenient transport connections and growing infrastructures, Urgench is an ideal stop for travelers heading to explore the Silk Road's architectural wonders. The city offers a mix of modern hotel, boutique stays, and budget-friendly options that cater to tourists, business travelers, and transit visitors. Here are the top 10 hotels in Urgench that provide comfort, service, and great location. The first one is Hotel Caravan. Hotel Caravan is a modern property with spacious air-conditioned rooms and a warm, welcoming atmosphere. Guests enjoy complimentary breakfast, free Wi-Fi, and 24 hours reception service. The in-house restaurants serve both local and international dishes. Located close to the city center, it's convenient for exploring local markets and attractions. The staff is known for their professionalism and helpfulness. The second one is Safia Hotel. Safia Hotel offers elegant, well-furnished rooms with modern amenities such as flat screen TVs and mini bars. Guests appreciate the cleanliness and comfort of the property. The hotel has a restaurant serving fresh, traditional Uzbek food. Its central location makes it easy to reach transport hubs and nearby restaurants. The attentive staff ensures a pleasant stay for both tourists and business guests. The third one is Hotel Urgench. Hotel Urgench is a long-standing choice for visitors, offering simple yet comfortable rooms. The property features an on-site restaurant, free parking, and meeting facilities for business travelers. Its location near Mahan Road makes it convenient for travelers heading to Kia. The atmosphere is relaxed, making it a reliable, budget-friendly option. The fourth one is Crystal Hotel Urgench. Crystal Hotel combines modern design with cozy interior, providing guests with a pleasant environment. Rooms come equipped with air conditioning, work desk, and private bathroom. The breakfast selection is varied and the hotel also offers room service. Its quiet location is ideal for restful night while still being close to the city center. The fifth one is Khorizm Palace Hotel. One of the largest hotels in the city, Khorizm Palace Hotel offers extensive facilities including a fitness center, swimming pool, and conference halls. Rooms are spacious, well lit, and featuring modern decor. Guests enjoy the on-site restaurant options and live entertainment. Its upscale service make it popular among corporate and tourist groups. The next one is Islamabad Kaiwa Hotel. This hotel offers branch in Urgench with the same charm as its well-known property in Kaiwa. The rooms are clean, comfortable, and decorated with touch of local culture. Guests enjoy home-style breakfast and a friendly atmosphere. It's a great choice for travelers planning to head to Kaiwa the next day. The next one is RL Hotel. RL Hotel offers budget-friendly accommodations with essential amenities like Wi-Fi, air conditioning, and breakfast. The property is clean and well kept with a clean environment suitable for families and solo travelers. The location is convenient for quick access to the airport and bus station. The next one is Elite Hotel Urgench. Elite Hotel provide well-decorated rooms and excellent service at a mid-range price. Guests enjoy a variety of breakfast options along with an on-site cafe and restaurant. The location is close to local shops and cultural sites. The hotel staff are helpful in arranging local transport and tours. The second last is Atlas Hotel Urgench. Atlas Hotel offers modern, neat rooms with comfortable bedding and private bathrooms. Guests can relax in the lounge or dine at the in-house restaurant. It's a well suited for business travelers due to its quiet, work-friendly environment. The hotel's location allow easy trip to both the city center and Kaiwa. The last one is Dus Dilik Hotel Urgench. Dus Dilik Hotel is a practical choice for a short stays, offering basic but clean accommodations. Guests have access to free parking, Wi-Fi, and a small breakfast service. The friendly staff and the convenient location make it a good stopover for a traveler in the transit. Urgench offer a variety of hotel catering to different traveler needs, from luxury stays like Tourism Palace Hotel to budget options such as Oral and Dostelek hotels. Whether you are here for a quick layover or a longer exploration of the tourism region, you will find comfortable accommodations that combine Uzbek hospitality with modern convenience. Choosing the right base in Urganch will make your visit to Kaiwa and beyond even more enjoyable.